Sweaty palms, racing heart, frozen in front of the camera. Sound familiar? Well, whether you're about to hit that go live button or stand in front of a crowd, performance anxiety is real. But don't worry, human, or should I say stranger, I've got your back.
Today, I'm sharing the secrets to overcome anxiety so you can become a live streaming Vtuber star.
It's Bitsy here, your favorite alien guide to human habits and relationships. After so many years of observing humans, one thing still fascinates me: the way so many can overcome performance anxiety. Humans have this weird thing where they'll get all nervous when they're gonna do something in front of others. And trust me, it's not just a you thing, it seems to happen to all mortals, myself included. But the good news is, you can beat it. Today we're going to talk about crushing those nerves, reframing that anxiety as excitement, and boosting your confidence on camera. Let's start with calming nerves. When you're about to go live, your body goes into fight or flight mode. It's a normal fear response. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and your brain starts to scream, "Abort mission! Abort mission!" But don't worry, you can trick your body into calming down with these simple techniques. Number 1, the most common advice I've seen: deep breathing. Humans have this handy tool built right in called breathing. It's crazy, right? Next time you feel nerves creeping up, try this. Breathe in for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. Nice and slowly. It helps activate your body's natural relaxation response. Do it a few times and you will feel the difference. Next, let's talk about progressive muscle relaxation. Seeing as I don't need oxygen, the breathing thing rarely ever helps me. So I've got another trick called progressive muscle relaxation. Starting from your toesies, go ahead and give them a real big squeeze and then relax. Tense each muscle group for about 5 seconds and then release. Your calves, your thighs, make your way all the way up to your neck. Oh yeah, you hear those crackies? And roll the shoulders, tense and release. It's like a full body reset button. By the time you've worked your way up to your face, scrunch it up, you'll probably be feeling much more grounded. And that means you're less likely to bolt off stage or, hit that end stream button prematurely. It always surprises me just how tense my body can get. So I recommend this quite a lot, because you might be a lot tighter than you thought. Stand up and move your body. Stretch. Your body was made to move. Go for a run. Dance. Do some squats. Just get your blood pumping. You could even just stand there in front of your computer and do some body rolls. No judgment. But getting your blood pumping is a great way to get those nerves, is a great way to get all that pent-up energy moving in a more productive way. Next, let's talk about reframing anxiety into something more fun, like excitement. Here's a fun fact from my years of human observation. Anxiety and excitement are very similar emotions to the body. The only difference is how your brain interprets them. The power of reframing is really cool. Before you go live, instead of telling yourself, "I'm so nervous," try to say, "I'm excited. I'm excited." Your brain can easily be convinced. Trust me, humans are funny that way. Studies show that people who use reframing can see their nerves turn into excitement and they perform way better. Plus, you'll come across as much more energetic and engaging during your stream. Say, "I'm excited, I'm interesting, I'm loads of fun. Let's go! Last tip is visualizing success. You'll also want to visualize your success. Have you ever heard of this thing called visualization? It's a long word, but basically you imagine yourself crushing your performance, seeing it go perfectly. Imagine the chat cheering you on and your audience clapping. Your brain is more likely to follow the script you've given it, so make sure you're feeding it success, not failure. Close your eyes and imagine going all the way through your stream, winning at it all, doing your best. And then take a moment to realize that if you can achieve even half of that, you will have a successful live stream. We do not need to be perfect. We just need to show up. And if you show up with the right energy, you'll do your best work. But let's be real. No amount of alien wisdom can save you if you don't put in the time to practice. Performance anxiety, and all anxiety in fact, lessens the more you expose yourself to what makes you nervous in a slow and safe manner. Here's how to get those reps in. Start small. You do not have to jump straight into a live broadcast or a huge stage. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself on camera and watch it back. It will be cringy, but it'll show you what you need to work on, and you will get better. Or something a little bit more fun, do private streams with your friends. Ask them if you can practice being your VTuber persona, or pitching your brand to them. Vtubing is kind of like acting after all. You take that part inside of yourself, that true part deep down, and you personify it into this amazing character that you love. And to properly portray that character, you have to bring out the very best in yourself, that deep part that really, really loves this character. So yeah, it's kind of like acting, because you gotta put it all out there. And if you don't have a safe place to practice live streaming, you can always try going on podcasts to practice getting in front of people and talking on camera. Or you can do what I did and start a YouTube channel. Yep, I made this channel right here because I was too scared to go live. We're working on it, and I know we'll get there one day. But for now, I'm enjoying just improving every week when I make a new video. Every little bit of practice helps, and it makes going live much less scary. Think of it as your training wheels, and try and set a goal. I'll practice for this month, and next month, I'll go on a podcast, and then I'll start live streaming on month 3. Give yourself a little timeline. Timelines, structures, keeping yourself accountable, it'll definitely help in the long run. And remember, instead of aiming to be perfect, set small, achievable goals. Maybe your first goal is to speak for 5 minutes straight without freezing up. Maybe it's to make it through an entire podcast without hitting the mute button. By stacking these small wins, you can build your confidence over time. And make sure when you do have a win to reward yourself because you're working hard. And you know what? Every great performer has messed up. Everybody makes mistakes. And it takes a very long time to become a pro at something. But most people out there are actually a lot more forgiving than you might think. If you stutter or lose your pace or have technical difficulties, don't stress. Learn from it and move on. Do better next time. And the people who are your true fans will always be there cheering you on. Besides, your audience will connect with your authenticity, not with perfection, because they aren't perfect either. So are you ready to start conquering your stage fright? Performance anxiety is tough, but you've got this. Just remember, if an alien like me can learn how to tackle these human habits, so can you. And if you found these tips helpful, drop a comment below. Tell me what makes you nervous before going live, and how do you intend to deal with it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and ring that bell so you never miss another deep dive into the odd and fascinating world of humans and their habits. Until you climb aboard the mothership next time, keep shining, keep streaming, and stay strange. Bitsy out!